Congratulations on your new home. As more people opt for electric vehicles, a home with a level 2 EV charger can be attractive, potentially enhancing your new home's property value. According to the Canadian Home Builders Association, 46.5% of homebuyers in Canada consider an electric vehicle charger at their home to be a must-have or a really want. Installing a level 2 EV charger with Reliance is hassle-free. Now's the time to select and install your EV charger in your new home. Your level 2 EV charging equipment will be professionally installed during the construction phase of your new home, so you can avoid the inconvenience and limitations of retrofitting later. Why choose Reliance? For over 60 years, Reliance has been servicing the home comfort needs of Canadians, so you can count on us to provide you with the home EV charging solution that meets your needs. As a new home buyer, we offer you a unique opportunity to rent equipment and enjoy the benefits of professional, ongoing support and service as soon as you move in. Our service includes 24/7, 365 live telephone support, professional inspection and installation by our experienced licensed electricians, friendly and knowledgeable customer service professionals, no charge for unforeseeable repairs or replacement of rental equipment for the entire rental duration. Ready to join the Reliance Level 2 EV Charger Rental Program? To learn more about the Reliance EV Charging Program for new home buyers, speak to your builder or call Reliance at 1-866-764-8131. Call on Reliance.